So, howdy people doing today? Me? Just enjoying the nature, the sounds. The only time I'm at peace is when I'm in the forest, you know. Truly lets a man gather his thoughts. And truly the only thing that's really left in this world that is beautiful is nature. But we do have destructive forces in nature. Humans. They come into the forest with intentions of shaping it for their own benefit. People have forgotten how to live with nature. They think they control it, that they're the masters of nature. And Mother Nature always strikes back. So have fun while you can. This is why I want to be so far from society, you know. It's a lot better. But nowadays, I really don't get to escape from it. When I run to the woods, I see signs of destruction, signs of manipulation, pollution. I have to get down and see the real beauty. Somewhere in between. Nature is a strong one. She will always. See that? Turtles. So, yeah. Always treat Mother Earth with respect, because nature is beautiful. It's calm and soothing. It's peaceful. Well, I don't want to hold you ladies and gents up too much. I've got to go, and I hope you have a good rest of the day. Make sure to check out my videos. There is a lot of them, so yeah, just keep an eye out. Much peace, much love. Speak to you later.